Hi, good morning. We have a new software release. This one is Cyclone 3DR, but in touch mode. So what we did was we've optimized Cyclone 3DR so that you can run it under the same license, but in your Windows Surface tablet, as it were. So let me show you how this works. I've loaded in the Cyclone 3DR interface, and this is what it looks like. You probably recognize the top menu bar as being similar in design to what we have in Raster 360, that left to right simplified workflow, and also optimized for you to be able to use your fingers. And I've loaded an IFC file, in this case from the Hexagon house, so the Leica Geosystems headquarters in Milton Keynes. In terms of workflow, the next step then will be to import a point cloud. And we actually offer two options. Either go directly to a Fieldworks project if you're running Fieldworks to control your P series, where you will already have your scanning data captured, georeferenced on site against real world coordinates, and then you can just tap in directly to that data set on the same tablet, or you can bring an external file in. U57 LGS will get the job done. We have an external file in for this data set. If they are already in the same coordinate system, they will line up perfectly. If they're not, we've included some very nice and easy to use tools, again optimized to use with your fingers, so that you can do a pre-alignment and a best fit from your model to your point cloud, regardless of what the coordinate system that both of them are fitting at the moment would be. And from there, we'll proceed to go on to the traditional workflow, inspection workflow for 3DR, which will be to generate a heat map of a sort according to some your specified tolerances, and obviously to your specified heat map, and from there produce a report. So the first step is to essentially clean the point cloud, and here we are doing it against the model. So we're only keeping the points which are closer to the model. And then we can choose a direction to do the inspection. This video was actually recorded on our CS35 tablet. So if you have one of those, the software will run there as well. Here's our heat map. Obviously, we have a number of choices like we do in the desktop version of 3DR, which, by the way, you can also toggle between within the software. You can seamlessly toggle between the desktop version and the touch mode, depending where you're on your office or where you are on site. And here you probably also recognize that symbol as being the tagging symbol that we have in Cyclone 360. And what this lets you do is create some nodes and viewpoints, and then you can actually add on additional information to those, which will then be carried on to your report. Stuff like pictures, text, voice notes. You can take the pictures from the tablets, everything capitalizing on the fact that we are using Cyclone 3DR, but with the power of a Windows tablet. And then obviously we'll annotate our deviations to be part of our report later downstream. Taking different views, literally giving different perspectives, which are then also saved onto the PDF report, which will get generated in a second. You can swap between the views quite seamlessly. We included essentially the same work and feel to navigate as we have in our other HDS softwares like Raster 360 and Field 360 currently. The tools look the same. Everything gives you a nice and familiar user experience if you are used to working with the other products. And here we have it, the traditional report from 3DR. This can be customized to your company logo, to your specifications. You can save it, and from there you'll just export. Because you're in the tablet, if you're online, you can literally just email it across to someone as well. Okay. So that is it for me. Hopefully you liked it. And there will be a webinar coming up shortly. I'll leave a link down in the comment section for you to register. Yannick Stanger will lead that one. and we'll tell you all about more in detail about this new release. Do get in touch if you want to know something else. I hope you have a great day.